Hello and welcome back. We today are going to be making citrus grilled tuna steaks. Let's get into it. First, here are our tuna steaks. You can pick these up at your local grocery store. Pretty much try to look for something a little bit thicker than this, but this is what I can find. So this is what we're going to go with. What we need to do is we need to prepare our marinade, and that's going to sit for about an hour. So we're going to prep everything. These are all the ingredients that I'll be using today. We've got some sugar, we've got some black peppercorn, salt, soy sauce, olive oil, some ground ginger. We've got some garlic, parsley, lime juice, and lime zest. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just salt and pepper the tuna steaks. Over. Next, I'm going to give you some measurements here of what you need. You're going to need about a half a cup of parsley chopped up. You're going to need a half a clove of garlic. You're going to need about 2 limes squeezed, and you're going to need a zest, at least 1 whole lime. You're going to need 1 tablespoon of ginger, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And last but not least, 1 tablespoon of sugar. So there's our 1 tablespoon of sugar. We're gonna go with 1 tablespoon of ginger. Sorry about that. We've got our whole lime zest. Our half a clove of garlic. And our half a cup of parsley. And we've got 2 whole limes squeezed. Next, we'll go with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And then 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Go ahead and stir it all up. We'll go ahead and add our tuna steaks and the marinade. We'll refrigerate these for about an hour. Well, it looks like some rain came in. Here in Texas, we don't care, rain or shine, we're gonna cook outside. This isn't gonna stop us. Right now what we're doing is lighting a charcoal chimney, getting these coals hot, and then we'll go ahead and dump them in our grill and clean up the grill. And first thing we're going to do is we're going to use our iron again, our flat iron, and we're gonna cook up some Brussels sprouts first, and I'll show you guys how we do that, and we'll go from there. All right, we're going to start off by cooking some Brussels sprouts on the grill. We're going to be using our flat iron again. So let's go ahead and put this on now and let it heat up. Our flat iron's hot now. We're going to go ahead and add some olive oil to it. Went ahead and got some organic Brussels sprouts, grocery store. Got the olive oil on there. It's hot, it's ready. We're gonna go ahead and throw some Brussels sprouts on with just some salt, pepper, and garlic. We'll saute them up, take them off, and yeah, it's gonna be one of our side dishes. All right, we're gonna go ahead and hit it with a little bit of salt and pepper. And a little bit of garlic powder. That's it. And we'll go ahead and saute these here for about 10 minutes and take them off. So we have our Brussels sprouts where we want them. They've got a char to them. We don't want them overcooked where they're kind of soggy. We want them kind of still have a crisp. So as you can see, and I'll go ahead and pull these off. I recommend you guys getting some hot gloves. They will come in handy. So this is what they look like, right there. All right. That's what they look like, and they are delicious. We got the Brussels sprouts done. Now we're going to go ahead and throw our tuna steaks on. When you do this, make sure you clean off all the marinade. You're going to reuse this marinade here in a bit, and I'll show you how. So we're going to go ahead and throw the tuna steaks on now. And the marinade, we're going to keep it, and I'll show you what you can do with the marinade. When you put these on, make sure you do not put them on direct fire because they will stick and fall apart on you. Put them offset. It's hot enough, it'll grill it, and you'll get the same consistency that you're looking for. So when you grill tuna, you want to grill it for about, depends on how you like it. We don't like it like undercooked in the middle. So usually people will cook it around 2 minutes per side. We're gonna cook it for about 3.5, 4 minutes. All right, we just flipped them over. You kind of get a feel of them once you start putting your spatula underneath it. You kind of feel it kind of loosen up, then they're ready to flip. But like I said, do not put these on direct fire, on that direct heat. Our power is trying to go out here. I don't know, a crazy storm just moved in. So we cook these about 4 minutes on each side. As you can see, we got some nice grill marks on it. We're gonna go ahead and take these inside now. Okay, we just got finished with the Brussels sprouts and the tuna. We're gonna go ahead and come on inside now, and we're gonna go ahead and take the marinade, and we're gonna bring it to a high heat, and then we're gonna slow it, then we're gonna cool it down. So that's why I was telling you to save your marinade, because we're gonna reuse that. But you need to bring it up to high heat, because you did have of course raw fish in it. So we need to cook it down, cook it up, and then we'll go from there. All right, next for one of our side dishes also, this is what we're gonna lay the tuna on. We're gonna go ahead and get some baby spinach. We went ahead and bought some organic from the grocery store. We're gonna saute this. So we're gonna start off by heating our pan up first. A little bit of olive oil. And we'll let this get hot, and we'll go ahead and add our spinach and saute it down, and add a little bit of salt and pepper, and that's going to be our bed that we're going to lay our tuna on. So we brought our marinade up to boil. That's where we want it, and just let that boil for a little bit and let it cook down. And this is what we're going to use to pour over our fish and our bed of spinach. All right, we're gonna go ahead and, we got the oil nice and hot. We're gonna go ahead and add our spinach. And you want your fire to be about medium to medium low. And we're going to go ahead and just saute these down. And as your marinade, go ahead and put it on low. We want to keep it hot. And just keep it rolling. Go ahead and add some salt and pepper to the spinach. That's what you're looking for right there. Just like that. Go ahead and grab the tuna steaks. That, and we're going to go ahead and grab some of our marinade. And grab some limes and just squeeze it on there. And if you like avocado, go ahead and put you a couple of slices on the side. This. And then we'll come over here to our Brussels sprouts. There you are. This is a citrus tuna. Try the recipe. Let me know if you like it down in the comments. Thank you.